Building shoulders with these pre-cut pieces is very easy. You just need to make a row of Lamellar that is equal to the length of your shoulder strap. I have 6, 7, 8, 9-inch straps. These are 7-inch straps. And you just then stitch down the perimeter of your shoulder strap. And it's a loose stitch. It doesn't have to be tight because you want flexibility in the end. And you can use both D plates and A plates. If you use A plates, you're gonna not use all the holes and it's not gonna bend as smoothly, but it can be done. So that way you're not changing plate styles in your armor. I don't mind changing plate styles. Now, that tab on the right, that is for a pauldron connector. And I know this is a left-hand shoulder strap because that pauldron connector is closer to the back. So that's why I know this goes on the left-hand side. This solid piece of leather is going to be a more unified, more comfortable shoulder strap, and actually will offer you a little bit better protection than one made of component parts. So for comparison, here's one of the component part A-plate shoulder straps, same length, same side, but much smoother curve, and just think it looks nicer.